how to turn on or turn off 360 audio recording to capture immersive 3D sound for video camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, we tap on the settings icon at the top. Then go down to the video section and tap on advanced video options. Next in here, we go down to the audio section and then tap on 360 audio recording. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now I said here, when you turn on 360 audio recording, your phone can capture immersive 3D sound through your Bluetooth headphones with 360 audio recording. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.